Good morning! This is Sarah, your socially awkward seller, and it is Thursday, December the 5th, all day today. All day. Right up until midnight. And I am not going to do so much eBay today, but more holiday baking, which I've mentioned before in my videos. But I thought I'd show you what's sold, and I will share the baking goodness with you. And but first thing we've got sold is this Cricut die software cartridge for the Cricut cutter, and I bought this for $1.50 back on Columbus Day, I think, and I sold this for $14.99. And then the only other sold that I have is this Bombay Company solitaire marble game board. And whenever I find the game, I always pick it up. They generally do minimally $45. Of course, if you price it for $30, you're going to sell it for $30. But the last one I sold, the board was damaged a little bit, and I sold it for $45 plus shipping. I only found the board this time. I did look around in the store for the marbles, lost them, can't find my marbles. Anyhow, I think I paid a couple bucks for this, and it sold for $22.99 plus shipping, and that's it. That's all that's sold. And part of that probably is the fact that I have not been as active in the last couple of days on eBay as I should be. But we'll return back to that. You know, the holidays are here, and there are things to do. So, you know, I will be visiting family this weekend, and there's all that baking to do, because I would rather spend $300 on baking stuff and, you know, new utensils and gadgets and buy a box of Oreos and put a bow on it. I guess you gotta bake the love right in. But I digress. I will check back with you guys in a little bit. It's going to be a little chaotic today here, because the two toddlers and an infant situation while we're trying to bake will be fun. But that's part of it. Anyway, that's all I got for you guys right now. I'll check back with you in just a little while. So these are the fruits of my labor. I had to put them under this lamp in the living room so you could see. Chocolate covered pretzels, essentially. Some Buckeyes. These are some Spritz cookies. Honeycomb. This over here is Almond Joy bars, and these are some turtles. And this is not all I cooked today, but this is all I can show you. So I'm going to let the Rant Lady talk to you about how the day actually went, and then I'll come back to close up.
Lord have mercy, what a day. So my first problem was trying to do too much, and then going and getting 3 little toddlers, God love them, I do, and try to do it all. They were fine though, they weren't too bad. But I cut my finger real deep, first thing out of the box, taking the blade and putting it in the food processor. Then I burnt cookies twice. I also was able to destroy some fudge because I got distracted. It was cooling. It wasn't like it was cooking, but I let it cool too far. It was like eating a mouthful of chocolate sand. It's just wonderful. I made some honeycomb. One batch turned out good. The second batch turned out like honey rubber. So they're going to be easy to use. I like my candy quick. I bought some of that too. But I bought these white Wilton chocolate candy melts. They're not really chocolate, candy melts. And seized it up. I didn't do anything to it. The bowl was clean. I don't know, but it was the hell trying to dip some pretzels in it. I gave up. Then I burned myself 3 times trying to make topping. Clearly I can't make Toffee and I are clearly at an impasse. Can't make toffee. So, I decided that we were going to make snickerdoodles. Snickerdoodles is my favorite cookie. I made snickerdoodles. They did not turn out well at all. One kind of success was the spritz cookies that I've never made before. Now, they are slightly overcooked, but they were surprisingly easy to cook, and or easy to make, and they were delicious. So, can't complain about that. I did also make some turtles with pretzels and Rolos and pecans. But how can you screw that up, for real? It's 3 ingredients that are already done. You can eat them all. You just gotta melt. I can melt. I melted a bowl. I know it. I've been melting things for a long time. Not necessarily cheese or things I should be melting, but I can melt. I can melt a plastic spoon, I'll tell you that. Tomorrow is another day, and I'm going to try my tasks one at a time. I should never have tried to do 14 at a day in a day, but it should be just fine. Hopefully, my family will get some sweets. And if they don't, they can go to the Walmart just like I did, back in the kitchen and clean that mess up. Besides, right now, I'm burning water. I can't even.
Well, as you can tell, it was some kind of baking experience. And it's because I don't practice. I don't make baked goods like that very often. So it was just a comedy of errors. I've got 2nd-degree burns to prove it wasn't funny at the time. Anyway, I do have to say that Holly was here with me during all of this, and she made these Buckeyes, you know, the peanut butter covered, the chocolate covered peanut butter balls, that were actual perfection. They were wonderful. She did it on the first try. They tasted so good. She and I are no longer on speaking terms. But anyway, I'll let you know how tomorrow goes. Who knows? Anything can happen. And that being said, I have had some more sales today. I'll share those with you in the morning. And just remember that the dream works when you do. So keep dreaming, keep working, and I'll see you guys the next time. Bye.